Transfer with dogwifhat from Bitget to Bybit wallet. How to transfer with dogwifhat from Bitget to Bybit wallet on PC? It's easy and simple. Now, first of all, make sure you are logged into your Bitget account. Now head over to wallet icon and click on Assets Overview. Now from the sidebar, click on Spots, and here go to Withdrawal and click on Withdrawal. Now as you can see from here, search for WIF, as you can see. Now click on it. Now after that, select on Network Solve. Now go to Bybit wallet extension and open it, and make sure you are logged into your account. If you don't have the WIF from here, you can add it by going here and now search for dogwifhat. And as you can see, this is our token. Just click on this plus icon, and now you will be able to copy the withdrawal address of this token. Now go and click on receive. Now as you can see, this is the networks. Now select the Solana network and click on it. Now copy the address from here and go and paste it here. As you can see, now click on next. Now as you can see, enter how much you want to transfer. This is the fees and this is how much you will receive. Now after you click on withdraw, you will be able to redirect you or to complete the buy process. So this is how to transfer the dogwifhat from Bitget to Bybit wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.